Hey guys, welcome back. It is Bird Week. We're here with one of our crafts. This is a paper plate rocking bird. But when I looked at it, it kind of looked like a duck to me, so I'm making mine a duck. So you're going to start off with a paper plate. Now you can paint yours if you want to. Again, trying to make mine look more like a duck. So then just fold your paper plate in half. And that's why it's a rocking bird. But I made duck feet for mine, so. Mine won't rock once I get my feet on. So I just cut out some like web-shaped feet. Put some glue at the highest point. Turn it out a little bit so you can see a little bit more of the foot. There we go. Okay. Now these wings, I took the template from the other craft for this week and I just traced it onto some brown paper here. If you do that, save the template because you will need it for the other craft. Here's my duck's wing. Here's my other duck's wing. Okay. Now, then you're going to cut out 2 circles. I just took a jar, traced around the edge of the jar. And since I'm making mine a duck, try to make like a duck looking bill for him. Okay. Put this on the one side here. Put glue all over it because the other half the head will. Whoa, my wings are moving. Guess I should have done the feet last. We'll set those off to the side, I'll put them back on. Okay. That glue's always got to mess up for me. Okay. So there's my duck's head, his wings. Just need to glue some eyes on there. Or you can draw eyes, whichever. All right, let's put my duck's feet back on. Oh, his wing moved. Squeeze those wings in good. Don't want his wings falling off. That'd be horrible. All right. And there we go. There is our rocking bird. I hope you enjoy making this, guys. I'll see you later. Bye, guys.